This is your tutorial for heat wave blues. Notice that in heat wave blues, you have two treble clefs rather than a typical grand staff with a treble and a bass clef. And your landmark note is treble G. You'll see that the first interval you play in your right hand is a fourth, where the thumb is on A, right above G, and finger 4 is right here on this D. And then in the second measure, you've got your first left hand placement, where you have the treble G with your thumb, and another fourth. So here is the first two measures. Okay, so we're using the fourth, middle finger, down a third, left hand fourth, step, down a third. And then here's the next two measures. I'm going to put all that together. Do, day, here we go. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day. Great. In the last two measures of the first line, you're going to keep this note, D. I can see that that note is used again, but instead of a fourth, I'm using a third this time. This is measure 5. But the left hand is the same as before. Okay, so one tiny little difference using the third. Here is all of line 1. Do, day, here I go. Here's the second line. Second, fourth, C, fourth. And you have some finger numbers, 4 and 3, to help you out right there at measure 7. Keep the D in finger 4. And then your left hand has finger 2 over the starting note in measure 9. Down a third. Here's your fourth. So you see you're playing finger 2, practically every other note. And then you have a finger number 4. Add the second, add the third, then the fourth. And the whole time you want to be thinking do, day, do, day. And you're holding your half notes for 2, do, day. You're holding your whole notes for 4, do, day, do, day. So you'll hear me chanting that as I go along this last time. Do, day, here we go. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day. Day. And then when you're feeling ready, you can click on the audio play along and play along with this very cool backing track. We're in a slow blues. Stay connected. When you can. And that's Heatwave Blues.